Have you ever wondered, among the hundreds of SUVs released each year, which one is the near-perfect choice? Durable, safe, fuel-efficient, and truly worth your money. The truth is, many flashy models only make a short-term impression. But when you look at real-world tested data, the number of truly top-tier vehicles is far rarer. In this video, we'll explore the 7 SUVs rated highest by Consumer Reports 2025. Models that combine all the qualities to become the ideal companion for your family. Let's see if the SUV you're eyeing is on this list. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. List of 7 SUVs, main content. CV Honda CR-V Hybrid. Ranked at number 7, the Honda CR-V Hybrid is clear proof of the saying, "Stability is sometimes the pinnacle of perfection." It doesn't chase flashy designs or overly futuristic tech. Instead, it upholds Honda's familiar practical spirit, elevated by its hybrid powertrain. A 2.0L gasoline engine paired with 2 electric motors delivers a combined 204 horsepower. But what excites users is the 40 mpg recorded by Consumer Reports in real-world testing, a fuel efficiency figure typically seen in sedans, now found in a compact SUV. This means you get the spaciousness and utility of an SUV while saving on daily fuel costs. Step inside, and the CR-V Hybrid feels friendly and sensible. The rear seating is roomy, with comfortable seats for adults, and the 33.2 cubic feet of cargo space is ready for family road trips. The infotainment system isn't flashy, but is intuitive and smooth, something many owners value more than chasing oversized, hard-to-use screens. In Consumer Reports road tests, the CR-V Hybrid scored points for its smooth ride, quiet cabin, and stable handling. It's not built for racing, but it delivers daily peace of mind, exactly what most of us need. On reliability, user surveys show a below-average issue rate, reinforcing Honda's reputation for durability. Add to that the standard Honda Sensing safety package, collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and more, all contributing to making the CR-V Hybrid a buy once, worry-free for years choice. With all these qualities, it's no surprise that the CR-V Hybrid consistently makes the list of the best family SUVs. Sixth, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. If the Honda CR-V Hybrid offers gentle balance, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is like a quiet warrior, powerful, durable, yet remarkably fuel-efficient. It's no coincidence that this model is a global top seller, viewed by Consumer Reports as clear evidence of Toyota's philosophy of relentless improvement. Under the hood, a 2.5-liter gasoline engine combines with electric motors to produce a total of 219 horsepower. It may sound only slightly stronger than the CR-V, but the difference is noticeable. The RAV4 responds quickly and confidently when overtaking on highways. With 37 miles per gallon in testing and standard all-wheel drive, it makes many competitors wary. What stands out is that the AWD system isn't just for show. Toyota uses a dedicated electric motor for the rear wheels, providing instant traction and precise torque distribution. The result is remarkable stability on snow, mud, or dirt roads. Many owners say they feel more confident driving in harsh conditions. The cabin offers a high seating position, clear visibility, and a rear row spacious enough for families. The 37.5 cubic foot cargo area handles luggage needs well. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with quick and convenient operation that suits smartphone users. For safety, the RAV4 Hybrid earned a 5-star rating from NHTSA and an IIHS Top Safety Pick designation. The Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 suite, including emergency braking, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control makes every journey more secure. Combining power, efficiency, reliability, and off-road adaptability, the RAV4 Hybrid isn't just a safe SUV, it's a smart choice for those seeking a long-term companion. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. Beijing Mazda CX-5. While the previous two models win with fuel efficiency and practicality, the Mazda CX-5 takes a different path, bringing a near-luxury experience to the masses. This is an SUV that makes many people exclaim, "How can a mainstream vehicle be this refined?" Designed with Mazda's Kodo philosophy, the soul of motion, the CX-5 boasts a balanced, captivating look right from the first glance. Sharp lines, a sophisticated grille, and harmonious body proportions make it appear far more expensive than its actual price. Consumer Reports highlights that the CX-5 is one of the few SUVs with a build quality close to German vehicles, yet it remains much more affordable. Under the hood, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder naturally aspirated engine produces 187 horsepower. On paper, it's not overly impressive, but behind the wheel, it feels smooth and precise. An average fuel economy of 26 miles per gallon is reasonable. The real highlight of the CX-5 isn't raw power, but the driving experience. A responsive steering wheel, stable chassis, and a suspension that balances comfort and sportiness, delivering a feel close to a luxury sedan. The interior impresses with soft materials, meticulous stitching, and a clean layout. Many call the CX-5 a luxury car in disguise. The infotainment system uses a rotary knob instead of a touchscreen, which may seem old school, but is easy to operate, especially on long drives. In terms of reliability, Mazda has made clear strides, with above-average ratings for its engine and transmission. The CX-5 earns a 5-star safety rating from NHTSA and an IIHS Top Safety Pick designation, featuring systems like blind spot monitoring, emergency braking assist, and lane departure warning. The Mazda CX-5 proves you don't need to spend tens of thousands on a luxury vehicle to enjoy refinement, top-notch driving dynamics, and a reliable daily SUV. 4. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. If the name Tucson once brought to mind a mid-tier SUV, the current hybrid version completely changes that perception. It's clear evidence of Hyundai's transformation, from a budget brand to one that can now compete head-to-head with Japan's heavyweights. The first impression comes from its design. The Tucson Hybrid sports a bold, angular look with a seamless 3D grille and sharp LED headlights, creating a modern, distinctive appearance. It's hard to mistake the Tucson for any other SUV, a big plus for those who value uniqueness. Inside, the cabin surprises with dual 12.3-inch screens, giving a futuristic feel while keeping controls user-friendly. Consumer Reports praises Hyundai for not going overboard with touchscreens, retaining physical buttons for the climate control, a small but practical touch in real-world use. Under the hood, the Tucson Hybrid pairs a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined 226 horsepower. With 37 miles per gallon recorded by Consumer Reports, this SUV is a strong contender for those who want efficiency without sacrificing the power needed for passing or climbing hills. The driving experience is smooth, quiet, and easy to handle. It's not built for showing off speed, but feels confident for any family journey. The rear seating is spacious, the 36.4 cubic foot cargo area is generous, and the flat folding rear seats show Hyundai's thoughtful practicality. For safety, the Tucson earns a 5-star rating from NHTSA and an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award. Features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and driver attention warning are all included. Plus, Hyundai's 10-year or 100,000-mile warranty offers unmatched peace of mind. The Tucson Hybrid is proof that Hyundai is no longer a follower. It's an SUV with enough personality, technology, and reliability to make many competitors take notice. 3. Subaru Forester. At number 3, the Subaru Forester brings a distinct philosophy. No flashiness, no chasing trends, but a focus on practicality and long-term durability. This is an SUV for those who value core functionality over a glitzy appearance. The Forester doesn't try to be a trendy SUV coupe hybrid. Instead, it keeps a boxy, friendly shape with large windows and slim pillars to maximize visibility. Step into the cabin, and a sense of spaciousness and safety immediately stands out. A big plus for both long road trips and city driving. Its standout feature is the standard symmetrical all-wheel drive system, not just an optional extra. This means the Forester feels confident whether you're driving on snow, mud, or heavy rain. Consumer Reports rates this as one of the best AWD systems in its class. Under the hood, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder naturally aspirated engine delivers 182 horsepower. It's not powerful enough to turn heads, but it's sufficient for daily needs. An average fuel economy of 28 miles per gallon reinforces its balance of power and efficiency. The CVT transmission is refined for smoothness, minimizing the rubber band feel often associated with CVTs. The passenger cabin is roomy, with comfortable rear seats and a 35.4 cubic foot cargo area that handles shopping or weekend getaways with ease. Many owners report that their Forester has stayed reliable for decades, cementing Subaru's legacy of dependability. For safety, the Forester earns a 5-star rating from NHTSA and an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus designation. The standard EyeSight technology includes features like automatic braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warnings. With the Forester, you won't get admiring glances on the street, but you'll gain absolute peace of mind, a trustworthy companion for any situation. 2. Lexus NX Hybrid. Moving to number 2, the Lexus NX Hybrid represents a perfect blend of two worlds, the refinement of a luxury SUV and the durability and efficiency of Toyota's hybrid technology. It's clear proof that when a luxury brand pours its heart into a vehicle, the result is an SUV that leaves both experts and customers struggling to find flaws. The NX Hybrid's exterior carries Lexus's signature design language, a bold spindle grille, sleek LED lights, and sharp yet smooth lines. It's not overly showy, but exudes a sophisticated elegance that makes you stand out without being ostentatious. Under the hood, a hybrid powertrain combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering a total of 239 horsepower. Consumer Reports recorded a fuel economy of 35 mpg, a rare figure for a luxury SUV. This means you enjoy a smooth driving experience while saving significantly on operating costs, a combination that's hard to find in this market. Step into the cabin, and the difference is clear. Premium materials, exquisite wood or aluminum accents, and supremely comfortable seats that hug your back set it apart. The infotainment system has been greatly improved by Lexus. A responsive touchscreen, logical interface, and standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Opt for the Mark Levinson audio package, and every drive feels like a mobile concert. What makes the NX Hybrid most convincing is its reliability. Lexus has long topped Consumer Reports' reliability rankings, and with hybrid technology inherited from Toyota, this SUV is a safe bet for years of dependable use. The NX Hybrid isn't just a vehicle for getting around. It's a statement of lifestyle, luxurious, efficient, and above all, completely reassuring. Honda Pilot. Taking the top spot on this list, the Honda Pilot is the epitome of a modern family SUV. Spacious, safe, durable, and powerful enough for any journey. While other models stand out in specific areas, the Pilot is a complete package, delivering an all-around experience that few competitors can match. From its exterior, the Pilot exudes maturity and solidity. Its boxy yet refined lines, large grille, and sharp headlights create a commanding presence, elegant enough for city streets and rugged enough for long road trips. Inside, Honda cleverly designs every row to be functional. The second row is spacious, access to the third row is convenient, and notably, the third row is comfortable even for adults. The cargo area is versatile, 16.5 cubic feet with all seats up, expanding to over 84 cubic feet with both rear rows folded, more than enough for extended family vacations. For power, the Pilot features a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 285 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds, impressive for a 3-row SUV. Despite its power, it maintains a competitive average fuel economy of 24 miles per gallon. The driving experience isn't about thrills, but offers confidence, smoothness, and quietness, exactly what a family vehicle should be. Safety is a major strength. The Pilot earns a 5-star rating from NHTSA and an IIHS Top Safety Pick designation. The standard Honda Sensing Suite includes collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The Pilot doesn't try to be flashy or chase trends. It's simply an SUV that does it all, from school drop-offs to family vacations to long trips with lots of luggage. It's a dependable, smart choice and rightfully claims the top spot as a near-perfect SUV. The 7 SUVs selected by Consumer Reports aren't just standout names on paper, they're proof of real-world value, fuel efficiency, superior safety, long-term reliability, and family-friendly utility. Each vehicle brings its own strengths, but they all share one thing: the promise of buy once, worry-free for years. Whether you prioritize luxury, off-road capability, or practicality, this list is your guide to finding the ideal SUV. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.